to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review on this absolutely bomb unit that I have on. So yeah, if you guys want to see me install it and get the tea on it, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay tuned. Sensational Butta unit, and this one is in Butta unit number 3, and I have it in the color 1B. This is my first time trying out this unit, so I was really excited, and out of all the units I've seen, this one had a lot of rave about it, so I had to check it out. This definitely gives me virgin hair dupe, like all the way. Sis is really, really long. I mean, I'm 5'7", so let me stand up for you guys. Now, it did come with the baby hairs, as you guys can see. As pretty much all the time, I don't really care for the baby hairs, but and I really like how this laid. Like, literally, the melt is crazy. It literally melted on into the skin. As you guys saw, I did use my Got2b spray. I alternate between these different sprays and adhesives on my synthetic units, but this okay, so for as far as tangling, yeah, you do get some tangling, but that's expected for a long synthetic unit. Like I've said before, for the long units, it will tangle. Not really, you get a few strands as far as the shedding is concerned. And I did fluff her out, as you guys saw in the beginning. At first I thought she was too thin, but she's pretty, she can get really thick. Really thick, so that's a plus for me. I did purchase this unit from, my babe purchased this unit from HairSoFlyShop. I will put all the details as far as the price and everything down below, but oh my gosh, I love this unit. Like, this unit literally is a dupe for if you guys have seen my IC Beauty hair review of their water wave, this is a dupe, and this is way much longer and way less expensive. So yeah, this is not an everyday wig. This This is a vacation wig. This is a date night wig. This is a girls night out wig. This is exactly like, this is something you throw on, apply the pressure, and that's it. That is it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you all. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And yeah, until next time, as always, bye guys.